Can't grow hair? Well, listen very closely. The reason why you can't grow hair, the reason why your hair is falling out is due to acidosis. This means your body is highly acidic. And when your body becomes highly acidic, the body takes calcium, cholesterol from the body and hardens it, and this blocks the arteries, okay? That means there's no blood going to your scalp, or very little amount is going there, which means the hair follicles can't get the nutrients they need. This means your hair will fall out. It's that simple. Your hair is your health. So to remove this obstruction, you need to stop eating the foods causing the obstruction. These are the animal products, the cooked starches, and replace it with a 100% fruit diet and use herbs. Herbs are crucial for hair growth. You need herbs externally and herbs internally. Externally, you need herbs like amla, which has 30 more times vitamin C than an orange. You need herbs like hibiscus, which was shown in the study to boost hair growth by 30%. And another herb is Acacia radix, which was shown in the study to actually increase the diameter of the vessels blood vessels going to the scalp. This means more hair growth, okay? Very simple. 100% fruits and herbs is going to take you a long way of healing. If you'd like to learn more about this, please click the link below. I'll show you a full video where I explain everything to you in detail.